Hey guys, how are you all? I've got some exciting news to share with you today. I know I've been away from media for a while due to some personal reasons, but guess what? I'm back, and I'm coming back with even more focus, energy and attention. Get ready. You're going to see a lot more from me here, and I can't wait to share everything with you. Stay tuned. This channel started with just wigs, but now we're going all in on beauty, fashion and style. Expect makeup tutorials, beauty tips, style hacks and so much more. Follow for daily glam inspo only on StyleHer Daily.
StyleHer Daily. Tripping down pathways where the stories ignite, casting bright hues in the day and the night. No rules written, I'm free and ready. The life I'm spinning is StyleHer Daily. StyleHer Daily. Standing gold in the sky. StyleHer Daily. Light a nights in my soul. StyleHer Daily. Where my dreams take control. I dress my chaos in threads so pretty, and I name that chaos StyleHer Daily. Every step a frame in this wild parade, every heartbeat a song that I just made. Like clouds on fire drifting freely, screaming out loud, it's StyleHer Daily. StyleHer Daily. Turning heads as I play. StyleHer Daily. Painting life my own way. A story untold, ever bold, ever steady. Join the threads of the vibe. It's StyleHer Daily.